Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. So today we talk about some hidden costs in Filmora 14. Alright, so I'm sorry, I haven't made so many tutorial about Filmora 14 on the channel yet because I was so busy with other things. So I have multiple channel here on the platform, so I have to make video for one channel and another channel and another channel, so it's just rolling out. Okay, sorry. By the way, we still have to make content about Filmora 14 because this channel is mainly about editing video, Filmora 14 and screen recording software, stuff like that. So today we have a very interesting topic talking about hidden costs in Filmora 14. What's included when you purchase a license of Filmora, and what is the AI credit and stuff like that, and what is the paid effect inside the program. Okay, so because I got a question from Lana, I'm sorry, so maybe this is the name, Lana Tira. What is that AI credit actually enough for? In the trial version, I couldn't even try out the auto caption because it needed AI credit, and you don't get that with the trial, so I can't even test the feature, so I would be using without paying for the program. How much time is that 1000 AI credit worth when it comes to auto caption? And we have another question here, some other question here. By the way, we focus on this thing. Okay, so this is my Filmora 14, and currently I'm using Filmora 14.6, and we have Filmora 14.8 right now, and they integrated Veo 3, Google Veo 3, which is an image to video function. By the way, it costs AI credit, so I haven't upgraded to the latest version of the software. Okay, so this is the paid license of Filmora, and if you want to buy a license of Filmora, don't forget to use my special discount coupon in the description, or maybe at least you click the link in the description so I get a small commission when you purchase the program. Okay, so first up we have an account center here. So this is my paid license, so I purchased some perpetual license of Filmora 14 for me, for my team, and for my staff. And so maybe I got 5 or 6 Windows license and 2 Mac OS license. But when you purchase a license, you need to log into the account here. So you see this is the AI credit. So I have 871 AI credit, in total 1000. So I seldom use AI credit inside Filmora because for me, I think AI credit costs a lot of money, and I have some channel here, but most of them are manual editing, and I use some text to speech but from other service provider, not inside Filmora. So Filmora is my main editing software. I just use it to edit my video, not credit or not AI function. Okay, so this is the AI credit you have when you purchase a perpetual license of Filmora. And okay, so when you click at the account center, you see here it is perpetual license and AI credit. I have 871, and creative access, this one I don't have this one inside my license. Okay, so you want to use this one, I have to purchase it. And we have Filmora Cloud here. I have 1 GB for free when you purchase a perpetual license like this. And if you want to see your license, you can click here to go to the account center. So this is my account center. It will say everything about my account. Okay, subscription, and this is the version. So I have highest version available, version 14. When you purchase a license of Filmora, the perpetual license, you are free to upgrade to any version of Filmora within version 14, but when it is in 15 or 16, you have to pay for the upgrade fee. Okay, so this is the account center, and if you want to go back to the older version, if you have 13 or 12 or 11, you can click here, go back to the older version. By the way, we go to a new web page. Okay, so I click here, I will click here to go back to the older version. So it has 13 here, 12 here, 15 here. So when you want to download 11 here, 11, 12, 13, you can just click at the go back to older version. And if you want to go back to earlier version, you need to contact the support. Okay, so go back to my Filmora, and this is for my account, and I can view my account. Go back to my account center on the web. By the way, you can see I have some AI credit here, Filmora credit. And if I want to purchase this one, so this one is the effect, so the pinky diamond button, so it is $20 per month. Okay, so if I click here, I will see the price. So this is the Filmora creative assets, include effect and plugin. So monthly it is $20 and you need to pay for tax here also. By the way, I would not buy it because I seldom use them. Okay, so I just use some title. Okay, and we got 10% discount. Okay, so that is for this one. Let me show you this one. So go to the effect tab and we have some effect with the pinky diamond button here, and you go to the title. There are many title effect, glow effect, so we have many things like this. So when you just drag and drop it onto the timeline, it will say okay, this is the okay. When you drag and drop it, it will not say, so you have to export it and it will tell you the paid effect. So even when you have a perpetual license of Filmora, and when you export the video, you still have to pay for the effect here. Okay, so I can click export. Okay, and now you see here the current account likes creative assets. So this is the title. Okay, and I have to remove the paid effect, or I have to purchase it. It is $20 per month. So this is the paid effect. It is a hidden cost inside Filmora 14. Okay, that is the first one. And the next one is the AI credit. So we try to use the AI caption. See here, this is my example video and I have some AI caption here. Okay, and this is the sponsor part of the video. By the way, we can
by you presenter.
We can generate auto caption for this part. So we select clip selection and transcription language and we can generate. It is 20 seconds and it costs 4 AI credit. I have no idea how they count how many AI credit, but if we generate here, so we have dynamic caption. Okay, and we have the task here, the task list. So it is generating, so we need to wait until it finishes. So it costs 4 AI credit for 20-second video like this. Okay.
This video is sponsored by You Presenter, an AI power platform.
Okay, so we can change the dynamic caption here by double click and select a template. For example, I can select this template. Okay, I can double click to select it like this one. Okay, and click apply to all. So it will apply to all the dynamic caption here on the timeline. Apply to all. Okay, and play again.
This video is sponsored by You Presenter, an AI power platform for interactive e-learning presentations and quizzes. Besides the clever AI assistant, You Presenter is unique in the AI market for the various built-in interactive questions and detailed report tracking ability. Sign up now and explore many other superior features of You Presenter AI.
Okay, so this is the dynamic caption and you need to use AI credit for it. By the way, if you want to see the price of the AI credit, you want to just double click at the video clip and select speak to text again. Okay, so we go back to the dynamic caption and we see it right here. We have a plus button here. So a plus button here or here is the same. If you want to buy more AI credit, okay, so I can click here to buy more AI credit and they have different package here. 1,500 credit for $10 and 2,000, 5,000 and 20,000, and you can buy up to 50,000 or 100,000 AI credit. Okay, and you can just click the buy now button to buy more AI credit for you. So that is another hidden cost in Filmora 14 if you purchase a license of Filmora. Talking about the license of Filmora, you want to purchase it, just go ahead to the link in the description and this is the website, so we can just click the buy now button. Okay, and we see the price. So they have basic annual plan, which is $49.99 and you can use for cross platform and 1 GB cloud storage and all the editing feature inside Filmora 14, but you don't have Filmora credit. Okay, remember this is cross platform annual plan and $49.99, and this is the perpetual plan, $79.99, and it used for one platform only, Windows or Mac, and you have 1,000 AI credit here. So when you run out of AI credit, you have to purchase more. But they have another video editor and creative assets, which is premium annual plan. $99.99 US, and you use for cross platform, and it has 2000 AI credit per month. So it is a good one because you have 2000 AI credit per month, and if you run out of AI credit, you can just wait until next month, or you can buy more AI credit. Okay, so they have another here, premium annual plan, and remember, you need to pay annual. And also you can use for cross platform, including Android device, iPhone, Mac OS, and Windows device. Okay, remember, if you want to buy it, or if you want to purchase this one perpetual plan, you can go to my website, which is jackydeals.com. I have some special discount here. So yeah, for 14, okay, Filmora 14, 10% off, license coupon code advanced, and we have perpetual license. It is $71 US, and this is for macOS, $71 US. Okay, so you want to buy it, just go to my website and you have 10% discount coupon. Okay, and if you have any question, just let me know at the comment section. About the latest version, Filmora 14.8, I already upgraded my software to 14.8 and take a look at some of the new feature. So first thing first, they have image to video with the Google Veo 3, but actually the cost of AI credit is very high. Okay, and we have glow text effect, which is included in the title tab, but all of them are paid effect. Okay, and at this lower version, 14.7.15, we have asset center entry and image to video template and bubble text preset. So this one is interesting because they offer 47 fun ready-made bubble text style to your caption. So this is my Filmora 14.8, and the first thing, we go to the title and select trending, and then we can select a default title like this. Just drag and drop it onto a timeline, and then you can double click at the title. We have purple here. So they offer 47, but actually I just downloaded some of them, and most of them are free. Okay, for example, we want to use this one, we can just double click or something, or we can click at the bubble, and then we can change it to, for example, Jacky, Nguyen, my name, for example. So here we have a title or bubble on the timeline. So this is the bubble, and for the glow effect, it is included in the title effect. So it is glow, and you see here all of them are pinky diamond button. And for the Google Veo 3 function, we need to go to stock media. Okay, and now we have AI media here, so image to video or AI image. So we can select image to video here, and you see here this is image to video Veo 3, and they offer start and end frame to video, reference to video. By the way, I just tried this one, and I can see that the AI credit is so expensive. So okay, for example, we can select one of the image here. Okay, so we have an image of a couple here, so we can give some description here. Okay, and down here you have the quality, so Veo 3 from Google, and we have a standard here, but we can go to setting, and we have the resolution and the duration. So right now it is 720p and 8 seconds, and you see here the number of AI credit is 1500 AI credit for just one creation. So I think it is too expensive for me. Okay, so you want to try it, just go to stock media, image to video. Alright, so that is about the hidden cost in Filmora 14, and I think it is enough for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.